Hello! Today's project is called I Am an Artist, and you all have completed 1 year of art. And so I think that you guys should showcase yourselves as an artist today. So what we're gonna do here, I have lots of stuff for you guys, and there's a lot of steps. So pay attention. I'll probably pause this video so that we can work step by step today. Okay, as you guys are working. First, you're gonna get a big piece of paper and pencils are at your table. I want you to draw yourself as an artist. So think about what you look like and draw what you think you look like. So I am going to start with my head and I'm gonna make a circle. So I'm gonna go shape by shape. And I know it's really hard to see from way in the back, so I might actually draw myself with a Sharpie. But I want you guys today to first draw with pencil in case you make a mistake. So I'm gonna draw my head so that you all can see it. And I'm gonna draw my hair. And we all have different hair, right? So let's see, I'm gonna draw the shape of my eyes and my eyebrows and my nose and a smile. Okay, now think about the shape of your neck. My neck is kind of like a rectangle. And then I'm going to think about my body. So I'm going to draw the top of my body, like my shirt, as a rectangle. And then I want you to draw your arms. So I'm going to have one arm here. And I'm also going to think about shapes. So I'm going to do another rectangle and another rectangle. Then I need my hands. I'm going to keep my hands pretty simple. And then I can go in and draw the lines for my fingers. See how I drew them first like a mitten? And then I draw it like a hand. But I'm trying to think about myself as an artist. So I'm actually going to be holding, I'm going to hold a paintbrush in my hand, like that. Now I'm going to draw my legs. So I'm thinking about another rectangle and another rectangle. And then my feet, I'm just going to kind of put to the side like that. Okay, and now once you have this done, I want you to color it with the crayons at your table. If you've drawn in pencil, go over your pencil lines with a Sharpie, okay? Just like we did on the cats. Then I want you to color your whole self in. When that's done, then we're gonna move on and we are going to cut ourselves out. Now, cutting ourselves out could be really hard with all of these details, so I call this bubble cutting. When you draw kind of like an oval around yourself, like this, and then I'm just gonna cut that out. So I'm gonna keep it pretty simple. If you think that you can cut some of this out a little bit better, then you can get pretty close. Like I think I can do some of this. I just didn't know if I could cut out that paintbrush very well. So it doesn't have to be perfectly cut out, but just do your best. There can still be some white around. And mine is not all colored. Make sure yours is all the way colored before you cut. Okay, and now I've made you guys something really special for this next step. So once you have this done, you can throw this paper away. Your scraps can go in the garbage. And then make sure your name is on the back. So I'm gonna put my name on the back here. There we go. And then I made you guys these little easels. So an easel is something that artists use to put their paintings on as they're working. And then I also cut you guys little teeny tiny pieces of paper. These are going to go onto the easel. But first I need to make my teeny tiny little painting that goes with you as an artist, okay? And these are all gonna get glued together. So it shows your first year in art. Now, what you'll need for this step to make the teeny tiny little painting is someone from your table will have to get the paint and a cup of water and a brush. And on the world's smallest painting, you can paint anything you want. So if you want to do lines and designs, shapes, maybe you want to paint a house, it can be anything, but you're going to make a little tiny painting, okay? When that's all done, go up front, get a glue bottle, and you're going to be gluing. Put some glue on your easel right here, and Mrs. Constein will come and help. Just raise your hand. And then you're going to put the painting on the easel so we don't lose it, okay? Now, I think it would be a good idea once you have it glued on here to write your name on the popsicle sticks, right on the back. And then put both of these, so your self-portrait and your little painting, over on the drying rack together, okay, so that we don't lose anything, and then you guys can clean up your tables. I will give these back to you tomorrow when you come to school, okay? All right, you guys, I can't wait to see these. I know that was a lot of steps, but we'll get through it.